If you need digital accessibility assistance, submit a request at drcog.org/access or call 303-455-1000. Please expect a response within 72 hours or 3 business days. A new modular housing factory in the Boulder area blends workforce education and community volunteerism while providing permanent, affordable housing. BoulderMOD is the nation's first net zero modular housing factory with a unique partnership. Students from Boulder Valley School District work alongside volunteers and future homeowners on construction. The model strengthens the local economy and provides job training while fulfilling MetroVision's call for affordable, accessible, and livable communities. In early 2025, BoulderMOD started building duplexes with 3 bedrooms and 1.5 baths to replace unsafe mobile homes in the Ponderosa Mobile Home Park in North Boulder. The first 2 duplexes welcomed 4 families in April. Another duplex was completed in the summer, with 2 more planned for early December. Homes produced at BoulderMOD will contribute to Boulder's goal of ensuring that 15% of all homes in the city are permanently affordable by 2035. Dan McCauley is with Flatiron's Habitat for Humanity.
So this facility is solving that crisis in the near term by dramatically increasing the number of houses Flatiron's Habitat can deliver every year, and by building the next generation of building professionals through our partnership with the Boulder Valley School District.
Creating long-term stability for Ponderosa Mobile Home Park is central to BoulderMOD's mission. Current residents can choose to stay in their home or buy a new, affordable, energy-efficient home in their area. Beyond Ponderosa, the project is a promising, innovative model for other communities to consider. Congratulations to BoulderMOD as a 2026 MetroVision Award winner.